Okay, same storm, same time. It's October 14th, 2025. Under there is where the drain is, and it is not draining. You can't even see where it's supposed to because it's plugged up. And this is all the water coming, flowing right into my yard, making the little lake, going right. I used to have stairs right there, and it would go right up the stairs. Now it's going around here, flowing right on by to. I tried to fix this. I dug it down to where it was lower so some water could go. But I don't know. Anyways, it all goes right here, flowing right through here. To the back there. I don't want to get my phone wet, but it goes right around that corner and under my house. And it's supposed to go right out there, but out there cars park and the wheels get, I don't know, and the wheels stop it up. It hasn't been happening long enough to make a really, really bad flood here yet, but it's bad enough. Because my dog can't even come out and go to the potty to get a walk, and all this stuff is just coming through. That drain needs to be cleared out because I can't go outside, and I mean that's it's about, I don't know, a couple of inches here is all so far, but out there it's pretty deep.